Ever wondered why some businesses seem to skyrocket while others plateau? What if it's not about the product or service, but rather the strategies used to connect with customers? Today, we delve into the world of bridge marketing, a game-changing concept that could revolutionize the way you approach your online business. Imagine this scenario. A startup company, let's call it Ecotech, sells eco-friendly tech gadgets. They have a unique selling proposition and a product that's in demand. However, they struggle to make significant sales. After an in-depth analysis, they realize their target market doesn't fully understand the benefits of eco-friendly tech. Instead of focusing solely on selling their gadgets, they decide to build a bridge. Ecotech starts creating content, not just about their products, but about the broader topic of eco-friendly technology. They share information about its benefits, how it contributes to sustainability, and why it's the future of tech. They engage with their audience through webinars, blogs, and social media posts. They provide value, establish themselves as thought leaders in the industry, and build trust with their audience. Over time, they notice a shift. The audience, now educated about the value of eco-friendly tech, starts to show more interest in Ecotech's products. Sales increase and Ecotech becomes a trusted brand in the market. This, my friends, is the power of bridge marketing. It's about building a bridge between your business and your potential customers, connecting through education, engagement, and trust building rather than direct sales pitches. Bridge marketing offers a host of benefits. It lets your audience see you as more than just a seller. You become a trusted source of information, a thought leader in your industry. This trust translates into loyalty, which in turn leads to increased sales and growth for your business. Moreover, bridge marketing helps you stand out in a crowded market. By offering valuable content and engaging with your audience, you differentiate yourself from competitors who focus solely on selling. Now let's summarize the main points we've covered today. First, bridge marketing is a strategy that focuses on education and engagement rather than direct selling. It's about building a bridge between your business and your potential customers. Second, a case study of Ecotech illustrated how bridge marketing can boost sales and establish a brand as a thought leader in the industry. Finally, the benefits of bridge marketing include building trust with your audience, differentiating your business in a crowded market, and ultimately driving sales and growth. So, if you're finding it challenging to connect with your audience or differentiate yourself in a crowded market, consider bridge marketing. It could be the game changer your business needs.